Bet you didn't have this on your 2026 bingo card. I'm back! Yes, it's been almost 4 years since I last uploaded a video to this channel, but here I am. It's been a long 4 years, I can assure you. I've been through quite a lot. It's not a fun story, it's not enjoyable, but to give you the edited highlights, because God knows I don't want to go through it all over again, but long story short, I've been very ill. My condition was getting worse and worse, and I ended up hospitalised a couple of times. Finally managed to find some doctors who was taking me seriously and managed to figure out what was going on and get me back on the right track. It's been about 6 months since I started a whole bunch of new treatments and medication, and honestly, I feel better than I have in years. I've still got a long way to go, and there's definitely some issues to resolve, one of which is my skin, which has been badly damaged by an autoimmune illness that basically I have an immune system that's way overactive, and instead of just attacking things like bacteria and viruses that get into my body, it basically just attacks my body. As a result, I've got pretty awful skin at the moment, as you can see. It's sort of not fun, but believe it or not, it actually looks a lot better now than it did. It's very much in the healing stages at the moment. I've got various treatments that I'm using that are helping to fix everything and get it back to where it was. It will take a long time though, but frankly, how I've been looking recently has sort of held me back from making videos as well, because just frankly, I didn't feel good about myself. But it's taken quite some time for me to sort of get back into the swing of things and finally realise that, hey, this is who I am. I may have a few things happening with me, but I'm getting better, and that's a good thing. I've also had some other fun stuff happening in my life that, well, I say fun stuff, I say absolutely not fun stuff. There's been loss, there's been death. My father passed away 2 years ago, and I had another close family member and a friend pass away as well in very short succession. Suffice it to say, it's not been fun the last couple of years. I've had a lot going on, especially in the wake of my father's death, having to deal with all the stuff that comes with settling someone's estate, and trust me, I've been through a lot, and so has our entire family, but I'm glad to say that most of it's all sorted out now, and we're all finally getting the chance to move on. And part of that moving on is me getting back to where I started. Now, I'm not going to be able to do the kind of huge amount of content that I was doing at my height. I can't do 3 or 4 videos a week because I just physically don't have the energy to do it. But I'm aiming to try and do at least 1 video a week. I've been filming in the background before I actually made this announcement, so I've got a whole bunch of videos in reserve which I'm slowly editing and getting ready to upload, so there will be quite a bit of content coming your way in the coming weeks and months. It's just a matter of actually getting it out there to you. So thank you for everyone who's stuck around in the interim. I know I've been very quiet in social media circles, with the exception of posting old recipes and sharing you whether it's International Nutella Day or some other nonsense, but that's what's kept me going over the last few years, maintaining the community and just getting little messages from you guys telling me about how you've been trying out my recipes and how much you enjoy them. So I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's kept the One Pot Chef spirit burning in the background while I've been trying to get my life sorted out. It's nice to be back. I'm very out of practice. It's taken me quite a while to film these videos because I'm completely out of practice. I had to figure out how to assemble my tripod that's been packed up for years. So at least I'm back on the road. So thank you to everyone. I hope you enjoy the new videos that will be coming as of next week. I really had a great time putting these new videos together, even if it has been a bit of a struggle. So thank you very much to everyone. Lots of love to you all, and I shall see you out there. Oh, by the way, if you happen to see any videos in the future where people are commenting about the skin, do us a favour and shoot them a link to this video that you're watching right now. It saves me having to repeat myself in every single video about why my skin looks weird, and it also means that I don't have to keep responding to the same comments over and over and over again. It would really take a lot of stress off my hands if I didn't have to deal with that. So thanks a lot, guys. Lots of love to you all.